how to fix Valorant client error. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do just type here services, right click and run as an administrator and click on it. Scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC, go to properties, make it automatic and then click stop and then start again. Now apply and OK, and after that type here Windows, update settings, install all the updates that you can find here, and now let's move to the next step. After that, after installing the update, just restart your PC and go to Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, manage settings and turn off real-time protection and click yes. Now just try to launch it again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.